Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our new Luxie Hair Volumizer Weft. This weft is great if you've already purchased a set of Luxie hair extensions and are looking to add that little bit of extra volume, or for all you ladies who have super thick hair who just need that extra bit of thickness in order to blend the extensions a little bit more seamlessly. This is our lovely friend Steph, and today she's going to be demonstrating a before and after to show you how you can use your Volumizer Weft to enhance your current set of Luxie hair extensions. So what I'm doing right now is sectioning off Steph's hair. Usually this is at about the tops of your ear, and since Steph is wearing a full set of Luxie hair extensions right now, what I'm going to do is just separate the hair at the widest part of her head. But if you're going to be wearing the Volumizer Weft with your Luxies, just clip in the hair extensions all the way up until your crown, and then you'll clip in the Volumizer Weft. So your Volumizer Weft is a 4-clip weft, and this is the 45-gram Volumizer. You're just gonna open it up and stack it right on top of the weft that's at the highest part of your head. So by stacking the extensions, it actually helps reduce bulk since you will be wearing an extra weft with your set. So once you've stacked the Volumizer Weft on top of the weft, you can go ahead and then just clip in the rest of your Luxies. Her hair looks super volumized, much thicker, and it's just a great way to add that extra punch, all with one extra weft.